Hello, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, guys. So today's video we'll be going to be unboxing this Logitech K230 keyboard, which is a wireless keyboard, of course, from Logitech. And if you consider a wireless keyboard, you may probably know that wireless keyboards are relatively expensive when comparing to the wired keyboards. And also the problem with is, even if you find one under budget, the quality of this keyboard is going to be very worse. And here we have a budget keyboard from Logitech, and the quality is also well built. So we'll be talking about this keyboard in today's video. So without more time ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the box that contains the Logitech K230 keyboard, which is a space-saving wireless keyboard, and it's from Logitech. You can see the branding right here, and you can see the overview of the keyboard. If you consider about the Logitech brand, you may probably come across that Logitech makes awesome products like gaming accessories, like PC accessories and etc. And also their products quality is kind of great, so you can trust on this one. And you can see here what are the things that is included in the box is 2 battery covers, which comes with 2 extra battery covers. I'll be seeing that, and 2 AAA batteries, and 1 USB DAC receiver, and also 1 instruction manual, and that's all about keyboard. You can see here it's compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 8. Also it is compatible with the Windows 11 also, which is currently what I am using. Also, if you consider about the pricing of the keyboard, this is kind of a budget keyboard that you can buy right now. The price lays under between $10 if you get it in the right place. And also, if you consider in Indian rupees, it only costs about 750 rupees. So that is kind of really cheap comparing to some wired keyboards, which is kind of very expensive. And now let's unbox this thing and get into this thing. Okay, let's unbox the product. Breaking the seal, and now let's unbox this thing. And guys, here comes the thing, like I'm holding it the wrong place. Okay, here you are getting an instruction manual, which is currently written in some kind of unknown language, and also English also provided, so we'll be keeping this aside. And here you can see a USB receiver for plugging it into your desktop, which is kind of plug and play like that. Just plug it in and your keyboard is ready to go. And now keyboard itself, you can see the keyboard itself, and here you are getting 2 more extra battery covers that I will be showing you guys after some time. Let's keep the box aside, and now let's take the keyboard out. And you can see here, this is the keyboard. You can see kind of looks premium if you consider, yeah, you can see that. And also in the back you can see it comes with 2 mechanisms to raise the keyboard a little up while typing and all those things. And if you consider, this is kind of a small keyboard, so you can fit it in your bag and carry it to wherever you want. And you can see all the buttons are given in this thing, from the F1 keys and also to the mute and unmute keys, and the volume up and down. And also here comes the print scan option also is available as a shortcut, page up, copy, paste, download, and all those things. And also the main thing is also given with a num pad, so that is kind of very useful. And also you can see here on this side there is kind of a bezel-less keyboard, you can see here. And also if you consider this side, you can see a thing that is for the battery pack. Actually you just remove it and pop it in 2 AAA batteries, and you are ready to go. And if you consider the battery life of the thing, it is told in the box that it will last up to 24 months. So that is kind of a great option if it is true. And here you are getting a tag that you can pull it out and you can just place it in, and you can change the color if you want. If there are 3 color options right here, pink, blue, and white. I'm currently popping it, the blue one is kind of cool, and that's pretty much all. And you can see here, and as you can see here, now the keyboard is officially everything set, and you are also given a 1 switch on the behind this keyboard, so you can turn it off and on. Also it has an automatic turn off feature also provided, which means if your PC goes to sleep, the keyboard will also automatically go to sleep, so don't need to worry about turning off it down and on. And just turn it on right now. And now we'll be plugging this thing into our PC and let's talk about it. Currently this is a keyboard right now, and you can see the receiver is in my hand. Also you can pair it with other Logitech devices also, which is kind of universal adapter for your Logitech wireless devices. Just plug it into your USB port on a computer and officially it is set to go. Yeah, and now let me try typing some things. Okay, I'll go for of course you can see here this is kind of web browser that I'm using, and I'm gonna typing. You can see I'm typing on the keyboard right now. You can see everything works smooth. And also one more thing I need to tell you about is if you connect the keyboard, the feel while typing is kind of feels like a mechanical keyboard. You can see here sound and all that is kind of and also the spacebar button also very perfectly aligned, and this one also. And one more thing is you can see here the arrow keys are embedded in it, but it is kind of a small one, like you get in the keyboard of your laptop. You can see here small buttons, and okay, and you are getting full size numpad, that is also great. And you can see a lot of shortcut features, also function keys also provided, and all the things that you needed is given in this thing. And you can see the feeling is kind of great, and the travel back of switches while typing is also good. Yeah, and also Windows keys also provided right here, shortcut for the shortcut provider. And actually I have been using this keyboard for about 2 months now, and farewell the battery that is right now is the battery that provided with the box. It kind of lasts 2 months, so I hope it's going to be lasting up to 24 months as the company says. So that's kind of crazy. I hope you guys like this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel will be fantastic, and also turn on the bell icon near it so you can see my videos for the first when I upload it. And also if you want to share this video with your friends, then it'll just go and share your video. So that's what we're doing in today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.